I'm David, and welcome to the channel. Hi everyone, as I said, I'm David, and now we're inside my garage, and I'd just like to do a little bit of an introduction as to what you're going to see on this channel coming forward. Basically, this channel is just going to be three mates messing around with some cars, having a laugh, drinking a lot of beer, hopefully, and just doing things that probably most people do on the weekend doing into cars. Repairing them, getting them going out to shows, and tips and tricks on doing some repairs as well. So yeah, that's me. I hope you're going to enjoy the videos coming forward. Anything you do like, please comment and let me know, and I'll do more of the same stuff. Anything you don't like, please tell me and I won't do it again. Yeah, so here's a quick run through the cars I've got. So I've got my Sierra. This is fully restored. Did that myself with my cousin painting it a few years ago. My late dad's MG that is yet to be finished, but hopefully this year we're going to finish it and get it on the road. I have got my daily work car, my Amiga V6. Big old girl, nice and comfy. Used it to take the family on holiday. Stuff like that. And then recently I acquired this little car. A 2001 Ford Puma Thunder. It's a bit ropey around the edges, as you can see, a little bit crusty on the arches. It's in dire need of a deep clean, but it's a good little car to fly around in, and the kids seem to love it for some strange reason. Qualifications wise, I work in a factory, mechanical engineer, tool maker, that sort of thing. Left school like everyone, decided to get an apprenticeship because I didn't want to go to college and uni. Saved me time. I managed to do a level 3 and 4 electrical vehicles course the other year, so I'm a fully qualified EV tech. And I'm also a last year, qualified MOT tester, class 4, which is quite good. And by no means super clever. I like to keep things really simple, really basic, safe but that'll do attitude is how I like to see stuff. As long as it's safe, it's reliable, and it shouldn't break again, because we never want to go back to something again. That's kind of where we're at. Nothing needs to be perfect. It's about getting it done and getting out and enjoying the cars and using them. As I don't see the point in having them sitting around and not being used, the cars, at the end of the day, as much as I love them. So that's kind of me, my fleet at the moment, and what the channel's going to be about. So I hope that you will like and subscribe, because it'll really help us start growing the channel. As I say, this is the introduction video. And the first video I'm going to do is how to DIY really deep clean your interior mats on your car, because as I said, I've recently acquired the Puma and I managed to find some genuine mats for it, but they are minging is the correct word for it I'd use. And again, we're going to keep it simple. You know, it's going to be Hoover, products, a drill, and your hose, your garden hose. You know, you don't need a pressure washer, you don't need a wet vac, you don't need any of these fancy equipment. Yes, will they make it better? Probably. Are they worth forking out for them? No. Let's keep it cheap. So, like and subscribe, and check out more videos. Thank you.